pro. No le zoom! Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Universal Studios. I brought the entire outfit. I might regret this, but it's fine. I literally had to go all out. But yeah, we're waiting for Fabiola. She's taking a shit. We made it to school. It's a little bit crowded. There's so many people here. I want to abacadabra all of them bitches. Shoe cam. We're gonna take photos, so let's do it. That photo shoot was cute, but horrible at the same time. I'm sweating so much. Let's go inside and ride Forbidden Journey.
We have no food. We are hungry. Well, you have. Oh, I got a soup. It was a good soup. ¿No están enfocando?
It's not focusing on losers. Anywho, we are eating. I mean, we are not currently. Currently, we're not eating because it's taking too damn long. After this, we're hopefully gonna go on Velocicoaster and Hagrid's. Emphasis on the hopefully. We only been here for like what? 2 hours, girl. It's 3 p.m. Inside the park, 3 hours, and we only rode one thing: Forbidden Journey. Today has been a day.
Esta se me fue el hambre, tanto esperé.
Yeah. Happy Mardi Gras! They're all so tangled. I'm a pro. I hate this shit. Is that what it does?
Round to the old cook. That's a scummy Derby cow.
I shall rule for all eternity.
Está ready. My favorite song of the week is
How am I supposed to tell you? I don't wanna see you with anyone but me.
even though we had a lot of things that went wrong, we had a lot of fun still. Haven't seen the parade in a while, so that was cool too. Anyway, make sure that you like and hit that notification bell and subscribe to join the kingdom. Peace.